Ever wondered which automation tool is better? Google Workspace Studio or n8n? Both help automate repetitive tasks, but they work very differently. Workspace Studio is Google's AI-powered automation hub built directly inside Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and Drive, allowing users to create workflows just by describing what they want in plain language. Meanwhile, n8n is a powerful workflow automation platform that lets you build step-by-step integrations between hundreds of apps using a visual node-based editor. Here's the simple difference. Workspace Studio focuses on AI-driven automation inside the Google ecosystem, making it perfect for quick tasks like summarizing emails, organizing files, or managing meeting notes. You don't even need coding skills, just tell the AI what to do. n8n, on the other hand, is built for developers and advanced automation, supporting complex workflows, custom scripts, and integrations with hundreds of external apps. It can even be self-hosted, giving businesses full control over their data and automation systems. So, which one should you use? If your work revolves around Google tools and you want quick AI automation, Workspace Studio is fast and beginner-friendly. But if you need powerful integrations, advanced logic, and full workflow control, n8n is still the stronger choice. The smartest approach? Use Workspace Studio for simple AI tasks and n8n for complex automations. If you enjoyed this quick tech breakdown, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more tools that can automate your workflow and save you hours every week.